In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate API keys for Brevo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to name your key, and how to store it safely so you can use it in your integrations with confidence. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Brevo. When the results load, click the official Brevo website link. It should look like the standard Brevo domain and use a secure connection. This helps you avoid spoofed sites and keeps your account safe. Once you're on the site, log into your Brevo account. Use your usual credentials, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as well. It's a good best practice to access your account from a trusted device and network when creating credentials like API keys. After you land on your dashboard, look to the top right corner for your profile icon or account name. Click it to open the account menu, then choose SMTP and API. This is where Brevo centralizes sending settings and developer access so you can manage the tools that connect your account to other apps. Inside the SMTP and API area, switch to the API Keys tab. This tab lists any existing keys and is where you'll create new ones. If you already see keys, don't worry. You're not changing them by being here. You're just preparing to add another. Click Generate a new API key. Depending on your interface, it may say Create a new API key. Both options take you to the same creation flow. You'll be asked to enter a name for your key. Choose a clear, descriptive label like Website Integration or CRM Connection. Pick something that tells you at a glance what system will use the key. If you manage multiple environments, consider adding context like staging or production to the name so you can track usage easily. After naming the key, click Generate. Brevo will create your key and display it once on the screen. Copy it immediately and store it somewhere secure, such as a password manager or your organization's secret vault. Treat this key like a password. Don't share it publicly, and never commit it to code repositories. If you close this window or navigate away, you won't be able to view the full key again, and you'll need to generate a new one. To wrap up, click OK or the confirmation button shown to finish the process. Your new key will appear in your key list, ready to use wherever your integration needs it. That's it. Your Brevo API key is generated and securely stored.